have to apologize for not filming very much, but everywhere we go, I've got people all around me and they look at me funny when I talk to you guys, so I get self-conscious and I just haven't been doing my usual job. I'm here in the cabin and I will tell you from here what we're about to do, and then you'll see some imagery probably without me talking very much.
Owen, my boy, no! No, Owen!
I don't know what I'm doing.
Alright. Take this and shake it back and forth a bunch of times. Hard. Take and squirt a little bit into your right hand. Or your left if you want to do it that way.
Remember when?
Not a lot, on your fingertips.
That?
Yeah,
That's probably good for you.
Alright, can down. Smear it on all the areas that have hair.
Can you get the hair too?
Get it on there, man. Get it on there. Ooh, yeah, let's see.
We can see I'm cramped up in this little spot
so
here.
Wash your hand off.
I'll do
the first one so you get a feel for it. You do a couple of strokes like that. Look up, stretch your neck out. There you go. Alright, that's what you look like with a goatee. Don't smile, you crinkle it up. I can't get to it, girl. Stretch your upper lip out. Stretch it down. There you go.
Just like that. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Feel how when I go up against it, it gets even more, huh?
Ooh, his first razor burn.
Alright, and now we can get you a washcloth. So today we're in Skagway, Alaska. I'm hoping we can figure out how to sort of affordably get ourselves out to the Chilkoot Trail, which I think is at least several miles out of town. And we'd like to hike some of that trail, so that's what I hope is coming up. Thank you for joining us. If you like what you've been seeing, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and most importantly to us is leave a comment. We like hearing from you guys. So, on to Skagway.
So Discovery is going went to everyone having a better life. You disagreed. Why?
Like to greed.
Greed, yeah. Lots of greed. So people coming up here maybe for like bad intentions.
Yeah.
Did you say anything? No.
This is historic.
Supplies. What's your favorite supply that you brought with you on this trip? Good choice.
Beautiful, amazing, scaling, climbing, walking, surrounded by mountainous wonder, free.
Nice.
Home. Warm, comforting, sleeping, cooking, sitting. I love my home, cozy.
As a junior ranger,
As a junior ranger,
I promise to continue learning about national parks and to protect them for future generations. We have two brand new junior rangers in the house.
Hey! Started off doing the National Park Visitor Center. We're taking a tour in an hour and a half. We're going to walk to town for a minute before our tour. And this place has been the closest to Silverton, Colorado that we felt yet. Beautiful.
Nice watch.
Except for the fact that it's a tourist trap.
Brother of the Falls, perhaps the most photographed building in Alaska. In times past, it was a fraternal hall, the local chapter of the Brotherhood,
First met here in August 1899.
Sit down.
Y'all wave at the ladies.
No, I ain't waving at no ladies. Not waving at the ladies.
Turned into shops.
Shops?
Shop, the Arctic Weather. Really? Yeah, but it's a brewery. It was originally a two-story building. George Dedman and a business partner purchased the building following the gold rush. It was moved to its present location in 1908. At this time, the third story and the dome were added, and the building began. The Mascot Saloon on the corner dates back to 1898. It was one of more than 80 saloons in a town once described as the roughest place in the world. Skagway was an active part both during and after the gold rush. Skagway is now owned by the National Park Service. Each has been. The large three-story pack train building is the tallest historic building in Skagway, but like many others on Broadway, they were first located somewhere else.
Joni has always made it so nice in here when we walk in. Everything's made and we got a little bear. Tomorrow is the 4th of July for us.